are exploring a gorgeous, eco-friendly trend that is taking the design world by storm. Xeriscape desert landscaping. But what exactly does xeriscape mean? Derived from the Greek word xeros, meaning dry, xeriscaping is a method of landscaping designed specifically for areas that are susceptible to drought, or for anyone looking to conserve water. Far from being just a collection of dry dirt and rocks, xeriscape desert landscaping is a highly deliberate, artful style that utilizes native, drought-tolerant plants, efficient irrigation, and natural materials to create a lush, visually captivating environment that thrives in arid conditions. There are incredible benefits to choosing a xeriscape design for your home. First and foremost is the massive reduction in water consumption, which is excellent for both the planet and your monthly utility bills. Traditional lawns require an immense amount of constant watering, whereas a well-planned desert xeriscape can cut your outdoor water usage by over 50%. Additionally, these landscapes are incredibly low maintenance. Say goodbye to spending your precious weekends mowing, weeding, and fertilizing. Desert plants are naturally resilient, meaning they require very little pruning or chemical upkeep to stay healthy. This type of landscaping also increases your property value by offering a unique, structurally stunning curb appeal that stands out in the neighborhood, all while providing a natural habitat for local wildlife like pollinators and birds. Decorating a xeriscape to look high-end and inviting is all about playing with texture, scale, and contrast. To make your desert yard look spectacular, you should arrange your plants in tiers, placing taller specimens like architectural cacti or desert trees toward the back and lower succulents or flowering perennials in the foreground. Use contrasting ground covers, such as combining fine, light-colored gravel with dark river rocks, to create organic patterns and define distinct garden beds. Don't be afraid to add splashes of bold color through desert blooms or vibrant pots. Finally, consider incorporating hardscaping elements like stepping stone pathways, custom fire features, or a cozy seating nook tucked away among the greenery to give the space a clear purpose and an upscale, resort-like feel. To achieve the perfect balance in your desert oasis, you need the right foundational elements. The best elements start with structurally unique native plants such as agave, yucca, barrel cacti, and aloe vera, which bring organic geometric shapes to the yard. Large accent boulders are absolutely essential, as they ground the design and mimic a true rugged desert mountain slope. Foreground coverage, a mix of decomposed granite, pea gravel, and river stones works beautifully to retain soil moisture while keeping things tidy. Lighting is another crucial element. Well-placed low-voltage uplights beneath your largest cacti or trees will cast dramatic shadows at night, turning your garden into an enchanting evening retreat. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, hear these: the compilation of the top 10 best xeriscape desert landscaping ideas to inspire you for your next project. (1) Modern stepstone garden path. This design showcases a clean, contemporary approach by pairing structured white concrete pavers with a soft, rustic mulch ground cover. Dwarf evergreens, small shrubs, and a beautiful red maple tree provide a lush contrast against the crisp white architecture and fencing, proving that water-conscious layouts can still look incredibly green and refreshing. 2. Tiered rock and cactus paradise. Perfect for sloped properties, this breathtaking terraced garden uses massive natural boulders to create distinct planting shelves. Packed with golden barrel cacti, dramatic agaves, and towering saguaros, it frames an elevated stone patio with outdoor seating, creating a private retreat with an incredible view. 3. Desert dry creek bed. This layout masterfully mimics natural desert topography by using a winding arrangement of river rocks and pebbles to simulate a dry riverbed. Accented by large boulders, golden barrel cacti, and tall ocotillo stalks against a warm terracotta home backdrop, it brings a highly organic, dynamic feel to the front yard. 4. Coastal desert front yard. Blended beautifully with towering palm trees, This front yard features an expansive bed of light-colored river stones that completely eliminates the need for a traditional lawn. Giant agave plants and neat, upright cacti act as striking focal points, giving the home a clean, modern, and incredibly breezy curb appeal. 5. Luxurious Mediterranean Desert Courtyard. This ultra-luxurious entrance pairs rugged stone masonry with a perfectly manicured gravel courtyard. Massive multi-armed saguaro cacti serve as living sculptures, while smaller barrel cacti and ornamental desert grasses add depth along the elegant stone steps and dark wood pergola lounge. 6. Natural Flagstone Walkway Oasis. A flagstone path winds gracefully through a rich collection of desert flora, including flowering prickly pear cacti, round barrel cacti, and vibrant green ground covers. The use of dark river rocks alongside the stone steps creates a beautifully defined walkway that guides guests through an authentic desert ecosystem. 7. Mid-century modern palm and saguaro retreat. Capturing the ultimate Palm Springs vibe, this design features clean architectural lines framed by majestic fan palms and striking yucca plants. Boulders are nestled into a smooth, light gravel bed alongside rounded barrel cacti and sharp agaves, soaking in the bright sun for a flawless minimalist look. 8. Grand Tuscan Desert Estate Driveway. This grand circular driveway features sweeping beds filled with impressive, oversized agave americana and dense clusters of golden barrel cacti. The warm, sandy gravel beds run seamlessly along the paved stone driveway, perfectly complementing the rustic, old-world architecture of the estate. 9. Luxury Fire and Water Backyard Oasis. Bringing ultimate comfort outdoors, this design features a large, stacked stone circular fire pit surrounded by a flagstone patio. Directly adjacent is a magnificent natural stone water feature with cascading waterfalls, balanced by evergreen shrubs and river rocks for a multi-sensory backyard experience. 10. Vibrant Succulent Border Garden. This beautifully sculpted garden bed showcases an artistic mix of soft blue-gray agaves, delicate desert grasses, and fiery red flowering accents. Nestled into fine gold gravel with a smooth concrete border next to a lush green lawn, it offers a perfect hybrid look for homeowners who want the best of both worlds. Xeriscape Desert Landscaping is the ultimate proof that you don't need a high-maintenance green lawn to have a breathtaking, luxurious yard. By embracing the natural beauty of drought-tolerant plants, rich stone textures, and smart design, you can create an outdoor sanctuary that saves water, cuts down on chores, and looks absolutely stunning all year round. If you loved these desert landscaping ideas, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for more weekly home and garden inspiration. Drop a comment down below and let us know which of these top 10 ideas was your absolute favorite, and click the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.